If you must grow here on the YouTube space, especially as a new YouTuber, or even if you are already a YouTuber and you've been making content for a period of time, if you need to grow here on YouTube, then you need to stop listening to these so-called YouTube gurus, because trust me, they are going to destroy your YouTube channel. They are not helping you to grow here on YouTube. They are going to destroy your YouTube channel. And in this video today, I'm going to share with you why you shouldn't listen to so-called YouTube gurus here on the YouTube space. Ever wonder that you always come on this YouTube space to look for, tricks, to look for strategies, to look for things that you can actually do, or to learn how to actually grow your YouTube channel? And most of the time you get to see videos of somebody talking about, oh, change this setting. Somebody's talking about, oh, change this thumbnail like this. And another person is telling you to do this like this, do this like this, just so that you will grow. And then when you end up doing all those things, instead of you growing, your channel is even retrogressing. Now, it is not everybody on this YouTube space that you should be listening to that is calling themselves YouTube gurus. It is not all of them that you should be listening to, and I'm going to share with you why you should not listen to some of them. Okay, you guys, so some of the reasons why you should not listen to them is the fact that, number one, they tell you to just start YouTube when you are not supposed to just start YouTube. If you are looking at starting your own YouTube channel, trust me, you need strategy. You need to know why you are coming here to do, or what you are coming here to do, the kind of videos you want to be producing, the kind of people that you want to be targeting here on YouTube. You don't just wake up in the morning and just start YouTube. You don't just start YouTube because you have camera, or because you have data, or because you have access to the internet, or because you can film, you can record, or because you can, make content. You don't just come here because of these things. You come here because you are prepared, and because you have a targeted set of audience that you want to be sharing solutions to their problem with. That is one thing. So a lot of YouTube gurus will tell you, oh, just start. YouTube does not really tell you what to do or what not to do. Just carry your camera, record. In fact, your first video is not going to really make sense. It's going to flop. But then again, the key is for you to start. The thing is, if you start on the wrong foot here on YouTube, your channel is going to either not grow, have slow growth, or even if it grows and monetizes, you are going to be making very little amount of money, right? They are saying all these things because they just want to earn the traffic and the views or result for them to actually help themselves to make good money here on YouTube. So don't just start on YouTube. Go with what you want to do on here on YouTube. Come with the strategy, come with full information of what you want to do here on YouTube. That is going to be your guide and something that is going to sustain you for a long time here on the YouTube space. Number two thing is that they don't tell you the real strategy that they use to actually grow their own YouTube channel. A lot of these so-called YouTube gurus, they lie a lot. They tell you things to do in your own YouTube channel that they are not doing. They tell you, oh, make sure you are switching this setting. That, in fact, this particular one is what I always see here on this YouTube street. They tell you to switch on this setting, they tell you to switch on that setting, and meanwhile they are not doing any of all these things. They don't even make it look simple. They make it look so complex that you may not be able to do it, and you always come back to them, right? They'll tell you things that they have not done. They tell you things that they are not doing in their own YouTube channel, just to make them feel like they are gurus, like I said, right? So don't listen to them, especially when you listen to some of them tell you things that it is not working for your own YouTube channel. Do not listen. Do not listen. Okay, number three reason why you should not listen to so-called YouTube gurus is the fact that some of them are here for the traffic, to give them revenue, not because they want to help you grow. That is why they look out for things that people are looking for, or audience are looking for here on the YouTube space, and then they just say something, right? Let's take, for example, a lot of people are looking for views here on YouTube. They just come and tell you, oh, if you do this, you are going to be getting views. Oh, if you do that, you are going to be getting views. And meanwhile, it is not true. If you do some of these things, in fact, your channel is going to go back the more. If you've been getting 50 views before, your channel is going to be getting 10 views and 5 views, or no views at all. There are some days that your channel are going to get views, or your channel is going to get views, and there are some days that your channel will not get views, regardless of what you do, right? Sometimes you may not even put the best thumbnail, but your channel will blow up, or that particular video will blow up. Sometimes you may not even put the best title, but your channel is going to blow up. And by the end of this video, you know what? Everything boils down to some of the things that I'm going to share with you at the end of this video that is going to help you to know exactly what you should be focused on when you want to start your own YouTube channel. So make sure that you watch this video to the very end, right? And if you are watching this video up to this time, you've not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, because there is a lot to learn on my YouTube channel right here, where I teach you how to grow here on YouTube. Number 4 thing is that the method they teach you, the tips and tricks they teach you don't work. It's just like what I said. They will just come up with anything because they know that you are a gullible viewer. You want to grow on YouTube. You will listen to anything. So they just tell you anything. They just put together anything and then they tell you to go and do it. When you see some of these tricks and you apply it and you see that they don't work, please run. Some of these gurus, they don't actually do these things that they are practicing or do these things that they are teaching you, right? They just tell you things just for the views so that they too will get views, because of course everybody's looking for views and revenue here on this YouTube space. So make sure that you are looking at a YouTuber that is really spilling out the tea, giving you tips that's actually really working before you go ahead to listen to them. Number 5 is that they make running a YouTube channel so easy. Meanwhile, running a YouTube channel is going to be hard if you don't know the right strategies to use. YouTube channel is not easy. Running a YouTube channel is not as easy as it seems, right? Because as a new YouTuber, you need to edit your video by yourself. You need to script your videos by yourself. You need to think of content ideas that you need to, record or to film. You need to, come up with engaging title ideas that you need to fix, when it comes to running your own YouTube channel. So they don't make you see all of this work. They just tell you that, oh, it's so easy, do this and do that, just so that you keep listening to what they are saying, right? Just so that you keep coming to hear what they are saying. And meanwhile, the more you keep listening to what they are saying, the more your channel is not growing, because they are not giving you anything really substantial that is actually going to help your channel to grow. So YouTube, growing here on YouTube or running a YouTube channel is not easy, because of course there are going to be times where you are not even in the mood to create content. There are going to be times where you're not in the mood to post content. There are going to be times where you don't have any content idea on your head to actually create. There are going to be times where you are tired. You are not seeing the result that you are getting and you are tired. There are going to be times where you want to give up on your YouTube journey and all of that, but they don't make you see all these things. They only show you, oh, YouTube paid me so amount. Oh, YouTube paid me. I'm making money in dollars and blah, blah, blah. They make it look so easy. Meanwhile, YouTube is not as easy as you think, especially if you don't have the right strategy and the discipline to keep your YouTube channel up and running. Okay, you guys, so another one that they tell you is that they make growing on YouTube, the process, they make it so complex. They make it look like if you want to grow here on YouTube, you need me to show you how to grow here on YouTube. If you want to grow here on YouTube, in fact, you cannot do it if not by the grace of God that we did it. You cannot do it. That they make the process so complex. Things that are supposed to be made easier, they make it look harder. When they want to explain a certain thing to you, they make it look like it's so hard so that you can buy their course, or so that they can, book, you can actually come and book a one-on-one session with them and all of those things, just for them to keep making money. It is same strategy, right? It is strategy that they are using to get more money here on the YouTube space. And the point is for them to get more money on the YouTube space and not help you as a new YouTuber to actually, grow here on the YouTube space, right? If you are not getting the right information on how to grow on YouTube, it is going to be very complex for you. But another one is that they give you unrealistic monetization deadlines. In fact, this is the one that blew my mind the more. Like, you will see some YouTubers will just come online with this strategy. I'm going to show you, you are going to monetize in 4 weeks, monetize in 2 days, monetize in 3 days, and all of those things. Listen, let me tell you, when it comes to YouTube, you require patience to get to monetization. You require good content to get to monetization. You require having built a beautiful and solid, loyal community to help you get to monetization. If you don't have all these things, then it is going to be complex for you to actually monetize your YouTube channel in the shortest possible time, because even the people that are doing it, following all the right strategies, ticking all the right boxes, the YouTube algorithm will still take time to make their channel go viral or to make their channel grow so that they can actually monetize. So don't let somebody give you unrealistic channel monetization deadline that you can actually monetize your YouTube channel in 2 weeks. Come, I will show you how to monetize in 1 week. Not like it does not work, right? Some of them work if you are following the right strategies. Now, this brings me now to the right things to do when it comes to starting here on YouTube. If you want to grow here on YouTube, if you want to, make money here on YouTube, you want to start on the right foot, you want to stay longer here on the YouTube space, there are a few things that you just need to do, right? And those few things are: number one, make sure that you have a niche. Make sure that you've told yourself the kind of people you want to target on the YouTube space, the kind of videos you want to be creating on the YouTube space, the kind of content you want to be producing here on the YouTube space, the kind of people or the kind of audience you want to be attracting to yourself on the YouTube space. This is what niching down means generally, right? I already have a video talking about how to pick a niche. It's going to also be in the description box. The link to that video will be in the description box. After getting the targeted audience that you want for your YouTube channel, the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you are creating valuable content. If you are not creating valuable content in your niche, you are definitely not going to be getting the right audience, or you're not going to be speaking to the right audience that are going to subscribe to your channel or watch your videos to be able to get YouTube watch time hours. So you want to make sure that you are actually creating the right content, valuable content that is going to lead to people watching your videos and you getting subscribers. The next thing you want to do is to make sure that you are optimizing your videos. You want to be able to target the right audience with a good title. You want to be able to attract the right audience with a very good thumbnail. You want to be able to target the right audience or to attract the right audience with a very good hashtag in your channel. All of this I have done a video about, taking you step-by-step process on how you can be able to do all of these things, and I will leave the link to the video in my description box. So you want to go ahead and learn how to optimize your video title, how to create very beautiful thumbnail, how you can be able to add hashtags that are relating to your videos or the content that you are creating, how you can be able to deliver valuable content to your ideal audience, how you can be able to attract your ideal audience, and all of those things. Like, these are the basic things that you need to enable you stay here on YouTube or grow here on YouTube. If you have all of this intact, trust me, with time, because of course you need patience and you need the algorithm to do its job. With time, you are going to definitely get growth or see the growth, because of course when people start loving your videos and they are watching your videos anytime you upload it, the YouTube algorithm is going to pick the signal and is going to start pushing out your content the more, so that more people will see it. And when that happens, you are going to be getting more views. That is going to lead to you getting a lot of watch time hours that is going to help you to monetize here on YouTube. So all of these are just the things that you need to actually grow and monetize your YouTube channel and be safe here on YouTube, instead of running from one YouTube guru and buying courses up and down all together. If you love this content, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I have a ton of videos that are also going to be detailed and to show you exact thing that you should do when it comes to growing here on YouTube. I'm going to leave the link to those videos in my description box, so you want to go ahead and watch them to actually help you to gain a lot of information. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.